All right, it looks like we're recording. Welcome back to Dr. T's Gee-Rhage. Today is Father's Day, and since it was really busy, I didn't even feel like trying to do anything today. It's been a busy week at work. We, put in a little overtime and stuff at work, so didn't really work on nothing today. Hung out with the kid yesterday, the night before Father's Day, when had dinner. So we didn't make any progress on the shoebox here. And then today, when hung out with my dad, saw Mission Impossible. It was all right. Not really big on Mission Impossible, but it was pretty good. So, it was just a busy week, lots of overtime. So I got home after seeing the movie, took a little nap because I ate too much at lunch after the movie. So I was like, well, I can't really get started on too much today since we had a lot of overtime at work. I brought a lot of my tools to work using my handy dandy DeWalt carrying cases here. This one empty. All right, this one's empty. I'll put that back. So today has just been a day of cleanup, which is always good. The only thing that feels better than getting stuff done is putting stuff away. So I've been working on that. Let's see, let me grab Gladys here. And we'll put Gladys back in her place of honor up here. Even got her little nameplate there. Yeah. I gotta reach. Yeah, there we go. See, Gladys. So it'd be a lot easier to get to if I didn't have all this stuff piled in that corner. Gladys is halfway retired anyway, since I use an impact all the time now. So yeah, just been trying to clean up, as you can see, clean up some of this mess here. I had kind of organize the top of the tool cart here, make it a little easier to get to some stuff. So I found I'm missing a lot of sockets. I don't know where they went to. So organized my socket drawers a little bit. Well, that's standard, don't worry about that one. Metrics, I had a lot of them were already in the proper place, but I had a big pile over here that I never organized. So organize those. I had that bucket O combination wrenches here. Went and organized that. Well, I made one for my metric ones here, because they were just kind of over here, my metric drawer off to the side, so it was a pain if I needed something. So I got those all organized, like 7 or 6, up to 13. And then from 14 on up to, I think I got 24 in there. I don't know where my 22 went. It might be in the cart. And then all the ones from the bucket of tool, most of them were standard size. So grabbed a bunch of them. I did everything bigger than a half went into here. And then everything, oh yeah, you can tell I don't have a lot of stuff smaller than a half, huh? I'll spread those out a little bit there. Should have probably organized these nice like I did the metric ones, but it's not a lot of those, so it's a lot easier. Larger size ones, maybe we'll have to do a used tool giveaway or something, get rid of it, because this is overflowing. So yeah, just kind of organize that kind of stuff. Got this cleared up because this was a jumbled, well, it's still kind of a jumbled mess, but got a lot more cleared up so I can actually charge stuff when I need to. Let's see, we covered, while I was at my dad's, I had a old spray gun there. It's probably been there almost 15 years, probably 14 years. Yeah, probably about, oh shit, no, 2000, probably 6, 7. So yeah, about 18 years this has been in his in his cabinet in his garage. I got the rest of the parts for it out in the car, so I went and grabbed that. Probably save it for some parts maybe, or might be going to the scrap pile because I haven't used it in a while. I'm pretty sure it's no good for painting anymore. While I was at my dad's house, I also picked up, that's probably from 2006, 2007, as indicated by the rust there. You can shake it though, it's still solid, didn't dry out. And that, so obviously not going to use these for a car, but might be good for a, on the rat rod project. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today, man. Just trying to bring order all this chaos. It's kind of nice therapeutic. So it's a nice chill day. It's real hot out. So probably should get the fan. I brought the fan to work because we're working in the garage a lot. So probably bring the fan to work and or bring the fan from the car over here, since it was, you know, using a lot at work. It's in the car still. So I'll probably bring that over here and plug it in, cool it down in here, and kind of keep on organizing stuff. And yeah, so it's all in all a good Father's Day, man. Like organizing my stuff, getting it all nice, and you know, happy Father's Day to everyone out there from Dr. T's Gee-Rhage.